will never find cheaper gas, I swear.
Well, rainy day, but we are in a national forest we've never seen before called Colville, and it's gorgeous.
That's right. So we had hiking plans today, but unfortunately the weather is not cooperating. It's not pouring, but it's wet enough where it would be uncomfortable, especially with our camera gear. So we're just having to improvise, and instead we're just going to drive through and kind of wait and see and hope that the rain stops at some point. Ooh, yeah, we're at Little America.
That's right, we just found Little America here in the woods, and there's a cabin here. It's like a historic marker, and a creek running down. So we're
all to ourselves. Nobody else is here. It's Memorial Day today, so a lot of people have packed up and left. Which is kind of nice for us because that means that no one else is around.
That's right, and it's nice to be in a national park by yourself, really.
It is. Have it all to ourselves.
Why not? I'm not fazed. We'll keep exploring. We'll keep trying to have a good time. This appears to be a forest camp, and we're at the edge of a lake. I see. So here we see the creek, but the lake begins that way.
Sherman Lake Forest Camp.
It's a bathhouse. This is a bathhouse.
I guess so.
Camp closed, planned to develop, beginning of World War, shifted from recreation to timbers for the war effort. Structures remains for national heritage. So yes, we have a bathhouse from the logging days of this area.
Really needed shelter. We could do something in here. Got water right next to you.
Yeah.
I didn't bring my camera.
We have plenty of cameras.
That's true, actually.
But yes, the presentation is nice.
Yeah, right?
It looks like a big shell here. And then this is on a bed of goodies and ice.
This is officially, I think, our first fine dining experience of sorts. Our taste of fine dining post-quarantine.
Hiding from the rain and driving through the rain and figuring out what to do, and the day panned out okay actually.
It was a really wet day, and we had, hikes in mind and scenic driving, and we weren't able to do the hikes, but that's okay. We did the scenic driving, and that was enough to give us a sense of the region and the fact that we definitely want to come back. So we'll just plan to come back another time and see it when it's not raining.
That's right, we explored a lot, over 3 hours north of Spokane, where there are highlands and the Columbia River is very green, unlike south where it's yellow and brown. And it looks like a gorgeous area. There's nature for days. days and days to enjoy, in fact years. And there's land to settle for centuries. It's a great area here. There's water, so much water. So we learned all that, and then we came back to Coeur and we hunkered down in the main resort and had some drinks with a view.
Yeah, that's one of our hacks of if there's a resort nearby and you're not staying at it, you can usually go to their rooftop bar or their like high-level bar. They always have some kind of restaurant or bar, and if you're willing to, you know, pay a little bit for a drink, you can sit down and enjoy the view that way. So that's what we did to hide from the rain and mull over our thoughts of what we think about this area.
And speaking of the hacks, in Seattle, when you sit down anywhere, you're dropping like $50. Here, for the two of us to get some drinks and snacks, it was $35 with the best view in town.
It was a great deal. And I got oysters even. I had fresh oysters.
Yeah.
They were delicious. Great service. Everything was fine.
Yeah, and now it's actually clearing up. We now see this ahead of us, where the sun may make a reappearance. Also, we're hiking again, so we're here on a hiking trail, and others are venturing too.
Yeah.
And we're dressed in quick dry head to toe. So that's right, I have 3 layers of quick dry here, and I have it on my pants as well, my underwear and my socks and my shoes. Everything is quick dry. It's kind of amazing. So I don't care if I get rained on. Within 20 minutes I'm fine.
You might look like a tourist, as you called me earlier, but that's okay. I mean, you...
Because of your big backpack.
Well,
and your camera.
Yeah, I mean, I do look like a, I don't know, an outdoor jungle explorer, I guess. But that's fine. I mean, that's actually the vibe of this area. And we got into that hotel, went up to the 7th floor, had our drinks just fine, dressed like this, which is great.
That's true, because truly if I come here, I spend all day in the woods. I actually want to end the day on a high note. I will still come into a posh restaurant.
That would have been our plan anyway, honestly.
Yeah, that's our style anyway. Yeah. We're outdoorsy and we like the fine dining. And if they can accommodate that lifestyle, that's very nice for us.
Yeah. I've got my Lone Peak Ultras, which look a little bit bigger on me. They do look like, I don't know, house slippers more so, but these don't slip in the wet like those Superiors do. So
truly wearing this gear like Marmot and Ultra and Arc'teryx, I feel like I'm wearing my indoors hanging out clothing for comfort, and yet it's super practical in the elements too.
Yeah, this is all quick dry, so even though we're wet right now, it's totally fine. It's already kind of drying off.